Old wisecracker. You ain't got a hair on your dick, Logan. You talk about hitting puberty at 13.
If you define puberty as hair, I hit puberty in 4th grade.
You had hair on your pecker in the 4th grade? Did you not
Maybe 3rd. I don't remember.
Did you not get confused?
Mm-mm. I didn't even say, oh look, this is hair. I just started. I don't really notice after. I just remember there being stuff there in 4th grade, maybe 3rd. So you were 16?
Yep. Probably nearly 17. But I made up for lost time because I got this dick the size of Saigon. Been throwing that shit around ever since. Trying not to disappoint no one. With my dick the size of Saigon.